To my channel. So glad to have you here with me. I wanted to share an album that I made. I made it a while back. Um, I love it. It's still one of my favorites, but it's huge. And I don't make them this big anymore. First of all, it takes forever to cover all the pages and do everything. But anyway, I wanted to show this to you, so I don't know if you can see it. It is really large album. I think it measures somewhere like 8.5 by 10, and the spine is like 4.5. Yeah, so it's big. This paper I purchased on Etsy. I'll put the link below. I think she even has it for sale for like $1.14 right now for a kit of it. I printed this on photo paper though, so you can see, I think you can see the shine. Not the whole book, but the cover I did that with. And and let's go ahead and get started with this. Let's see if I can keep it in frame for you. So the design is from Bella Creativa. I'll post her channel below. This particular file is SVG files that you can print on a cutting machine. I know a lot of her design, she also offers regular cutting files, and I can't remember if this does or not. I followed her design mostly, but I did improvise in places because that's just how I always change things in, that's okay. We get creative, right? Anyway, so this front page is it's a pocket that looks like an envelope. And this is just a band. I guess I could glue it down at the bottom. And the top, I think, is all glued. It's just really more for show. So the next page, okay, any of the glitter, metallic cardstock, that is foil from Hobby Lobby. And some of this, I don't know if you can see this black, that's also Hobby Lobby paper. But the rest, I think, is pretty much this blossom paper art. I might have mixed in a few other things, But anyway, so it's a flip, but it's a pocket. And then another pocket here and a flip. And this flips over, and you have a pocket here. And a large page with a pocket, and then it opens and you have a corner pocket here and a belly band here. So that's that page. And then the next one, this is a belly band and a pocket. And this is a pocket here, and this, I believe, is just a little design. It looks like a little envelope, but I think I glued it down. But it does have the pocket here. And then this page flips over. This opens this way, and then down. So there's a lot of room for photos or writing or whatever you want to do. This page looks like an envelope, but then it opens, and then it opens here, and then this is a pocket. And I just glued some floral cardstock in a design, and then I cut this paper in the shape of a vase here. So let's see. All right, next page. Oh, this is getting stuck. Okay, so this is a gatefold. It opens up, and then it flips up and over and over and over. So again, lots and lots of pages to add things to. And this is a pocket here. And then this is just a design, and then, there's a pocket here too as well. And then all these pages, I think, are pocket pages. Most of them are, so you can fill in with all kinds of things. So this flips open here, and then this flips over, this flips up, and then you have a little pocket here, and then a belly band underneath. Flip, flip. And then this is, I think, yeah, so it's a pocket here, flips over, this is a pocket, and it opens up, and this opens, and then you have a belly band here. So the next page looks like an envelope, but it opens up here, and then you have this page which flips up, and then this which opens. And I think this was like a fancy fold design on Cricut that I might have done. I even think I have a tutorial doing something like this. If I do, I'll link it below. So that goes down, and then this closes. And then here's another gatefold page that opens up, and then this opens this way, this opens this way. And this was, I believe, another fancy fold from Cricut. They do challenges every month for fancy folds, just to learn a new way to fold cards. I don't think I did a tutorial on this one. And then, oh, maybe, yeah, this way, I don't remember. This way, lots of flips. And then the last page. So this was something I did cut out on Cricut. And it opens this way, and then these two were also cut on Cricut. And this opens here, and then this flips up, and here's a pocket. And yeah, it's just the design. So, and then those close, and this closes, and that closes, and then that's it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, it is a fun book, and I really do love it, but it's so big. But I'll link the few channels below that I spoke about, Bella Creativa and Blossom Paper Art, for this paper if you're interested. And the tutorial on that flip card, to make sure if I have it, I will link that. And anyway, all right, I just thought I'd share with you. And thanks for stopping by my channel. Keep sparkling, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.